Hola, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. The first activity you have for the first 5 minutes of the class is this photo. Remember, you need to submit your actividad inicial or warm up in the first 5 minutes. So that means 2:55. 2:55, it has to be in. Okay. That said, you were practicing numbers last time because we have a quiz today. And so you were supposed to write in the same that you did with the classwork and the homework. You had to write in the comments these numbers in Spanish. Use your list that you have of numbers, your color coded chart. Okay. You had your quiz today, so I recommend you to practice for a few minutes. I'm going to give you a few minutes at the beginning of the class so you can go to the Quizlet, practice the Quizlet, maybe play with the matching game. I recommend you to play with the matching game. That's not the matching game, sorry. And right here. Maybe play with the matching game so you can practice how you say the numbers, which is which, and so on. Okay. Now seem to start behind my picture. Okay. Then you're going to take the quiz. The quiz has to be completed during the class. During the class. If you are absent and you have like you are busy at the time of the class and when you are absent, then I'll give you an extension. But you have to do it during the class. Preferably if you are here, you have to do it. And the class around 4:05 we're finishing class, but you know the announcement starts at 4, so it has to be before 4. You click here. This is your quiz. You're going to put your last name, your name, and then you're going to write each number. I give you the words, you write the number. That's one. And then the other one, you have to select the correct answer. I give you the two options, the number and two options, and you select the one that you consider is correct. That's all you have to do. Then we're going to work on a voki. I am going to put a video on how to create a voki at the end. So I don't put it with the instructions directly, but I'm going to put it separate. And your video is going to be at the bottom of the plan on how to create the voki. That's what we're doing today. I hope to see you during class. Hasta pronto.